Hello and welcome to Buyers Want to Know, a special online report for OEM buyers whose responsibility it is to recommend and contract for services with metal fabricators. In today's report, buyers want to know how Schutte Metals helps its customers reduce their risk when bringing products to market. With us is Mike Weiss, Materials Manager for Wausau Window and Wall Systems. Mike, why is Schutte Metals considered a preferred supplier for your wall systems?
Schutte's over many years in our relationship with them have brought to the table the opportunities and things that we're looking for from a supplier as it relates to on-time deliveries, flexibility, and opportunities for us to value engineer projects that we are able to secure here at Wausau. From an on-time deliveries point of view, Schutte's ranks very high in our overall supply chain as it relates to on-time deliveries. They've been very flexible with looking at processes and improvement opportunities around inventory, paperwork, payments, and invoicing, but overall processes that have been able to improve both their opportunities and Wausau's opportunities in being competitive in the marketplace on these projects. And then lastly, they brought to the table with their expertise opportunities to sit with us and value engineer projects that we are either quoting or engineering and getting ready to execute on.
How does Schutte Metals help Wausau Window and Wall Systems remain competitive in its industry?
Being an engineer-to-order company, we have very few standard products. But what we've looked at in some of our window anchoring opportunities, we've taken a look at the products that they provide for us, and we have set up inventories on some of those parts, at least getting them to a stage where, let's say, the length of a leg may change or there might be variety in that. So they went to the point where they've been able to take that product and produce it to a certain point, inventory it, and then allow Wausau to take and purchase or to give them the specifications of the actual sizes at a later date, which have reduced the lead time on those parts by several weeks.
How else does Schutte Metals help?
We're currently looking at how the product is delivered to Wausau, both on the packaging side as well as the effectiveness or the efficiency of unloading. We can buy steel either boxed or in full lineal lengths, and it can take some time to unload. So we're looking at some processes on changing that and their willingness to look at how they deliver it with the equipment they're currently using and changing that equipment from a transportation point of view to fit our needs.
This has been Buyers Want to Know. To learn more about Schutte Metals and how they reduce OEM risk, contact them using the information below.